Welcome to CyberGuard Hub channel. Today we're diving into the world of switching in networking. So what is switching? Switching is how devices communicate within the same network using switches to transfer data. In other words, switching in networking is the process of directing data between devices within the same local network. It uses a device called a switch to read the destination addresses and ensures data reaches the correct device efficiently. For example, in an office, a switch ensures data sent from one computer reaches another without interference. So how many types of switching exist? There are three main types: circuit, packet, and message switching. We'll start with packet switching. In packet switching, data is broken into smaller packets and sent independently across the network. Each packet can take different paths and is reassembled at the destination. It's efficient and widely used on the internet because it allows multiple devices to share the same network paths. Next is circuit switching. So what is circuit switching? This method creates a dedicated communication path between two devices for the entire duration of the connection, just like a traditional telephone call. It ensures a continuous and reliable data transfer, but can be inefficient since the path stays reserved even when no data is being sent. Last is message switching. So what is message switching is? In this method, entire messages are sent from one device to another, hopping between intermediate devices. Each device stores the entire message before forwarding it. It's slower than packet switching and rarely used today, but it was popular in early telegraph networks. How does switch functions? Switches operate at layer 2, data link layer, using MAC addresses to forward data efficiently. That's all for today. Please support us by like, share, and subscribe.